as you can see, this looks really aesthetic, right? So, मैं आपको जरूर कहूँगी, you should definitely come over and explore the dream house of your own dreams.
Today I am at very prime location. Do you know where I am? So welcome back to our YouTube channel Gurgaon State In. My name is Avantika and I hope you all are doing very well. Okay, so we are going to talk about Central Avenue project, bang on Subhash Chowk and location रहने वाली है Sector 33. Okay, so आज हमारे साथ है Team Leader of Central Avenue, Miss Rishi Bami. Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm very well.
So, can you please tell me about this project?
Well, this project is by Antriksh India and it has a legacy of over 37 years. They have delivered 55 projects in 5 states. And the best part of this project is that it is close to possession.
Okay, ma'am, so can you please tell me the land parcel of this project?
Sure, it's 2.5 acre.
Okay, and the configuration size?
The configuration sizes of the flats, we have 4 BHK as well as 3 BHK.
Okay.
The 3 BHK is ranging from 2075 to 2375. That's plus study and plus servant. And 4 BHK is to the core. So we have only one size for 4 BHK, 3250. And also I would like to add to it that we have penthouse as well, which is 5 BHK duplex, 6500 Sakis.
Okay. So can you please tell me about this project amenities?
Yeah, so we are offering you great amenities plus 30 you can say. So we are offering you 18,000 clubhouse in which we are providing you amenities from swimming pool to rooftop cafe, including gym, sauna and much more all at one roof.
Okay ma'am, so can you please tell me when this club is going to be ready?
Yeah, sure. The level of the construction, as you can see, the process of the construction is in quite speed.
Okay.
And we are going to expect it the full work within a year or so.
Okay, so ma'am, ये basement level कितनी रहने वाली है? And यहाँ पे car parking कहाँ पे होंगी ma'am?
Well, we have a basement of -2 level, as you can see this way. And यहाँ पे cars, 350 cars park हो सकते हैं. Actually, I would like to tell you that we also have a visiting on-ground parking for about 26 to 30 cars.
So ma'am, इस floor की कितनी height रहने वाली है?
Well, we have 20 floors and it is still plus 18 for 4 BHK.
Okay.
And 19 or 20th with penthouse. So it's a low density project.
Okay.
Yeah.
मैम टावर बी में मुझे कंपेयरिंग टावर ए से ज्यादा फ्लैट्स दिख रहे हैं. सो इस टावर में कितने फ्लैट?
Absolutely. So A tower में हमारे जो flats हैं that is 36 and
Okay.
जो B tower है इसमें हमारे पास flats है 76. So these are basically four flats per floor. So as you can see, this is the 3 BHK tower and we have till 19 floors, 4 flats per floor.
तो मैम आप ग्रीन एरिया कितना प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो?
Well, as you can see, ये tower and this tower A and B, इसके बीच में जितना भी area है हमारा, that is around 11,000 square feet. This is our green area. And along with this, if you see that area, वहाँ पे हमारा होगा badminton court as well as the open gym area.
Okay.
And if you see the side of the 3 BHK side, here also we will have a green area in which we will have a basketball as well as the cricket pitch. So we are providing you 82% of green area, which is really greater than any other project.
Yes ma'am. मैम एक्चुअली आई हैव हर्ड कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को ओसी रिसीव होने वाली है.
Yes, we are expecting it in the month of December, but that's only for 4 BHK and the 3 BHK we are going to deliver it nearly to 1 to 1.5 years.
Okay, so ma'am, can I know about some investment की like ये project investment के लिए और residential दोनों के लिए perfect है?
Absolutely, it's a great mix for the investor as well as an end user. Why an investor? Because what payment plan we are offering right now for the both of the people is that 50-50.
Okay.
So if the investor is going by this plan, then it is going to have a great ROI with respect to the location as well as the connectivity towards the NH8 and KMP, Mumbai Expressway. Along with it, World Trade Center corporate office is right next to our side office. So this project will have a great ROI in nearly 2 to 3 years down the line.
What is gonna be USP of this project?
Well, the USP is location, location, and location.
Okay.
And apart from this, I would like to tell you that we have a project which is near to possession, right? So not every project is near to possession these days. So if you're an end user, you should definitely come and explore it. And if everything meets according to your requirement, then book your apartment right away because we have limited inventories. And the third point is that the ventilation in our apartments is really good, right?
Yeah.
We have 6 feet wraparound balcony, 3 sides open flat, and Vastu compliant.
Okay.
So these are the USP which I would say an end user can consider while looking for the dream house in the Central Avenue project.
Okay, ma'am, I have a small request. Can you please show us a sample flat?
Absolutely, please come over. Welcome to our sample flat. Here is our utility room in which we are providing bathroom, fitting and fixtures by Roka. Our 6 feet wraparound balcony is beautiful. Here you have a beautiful view as well. So let me take you to the first bedroom of our sample flat. Please come. This is our first bedroom. And also, I would like to tell you that we are providing you wardrobes. And here you will see, which is our drawing room. Here also, I would like to tell you that you can have your sofa of your own choice because it's a semi-loaded apartment. This is a dining area, as you can see, and the 6 feet rapid. Sorry.
मैम आपकी बालकनी तो बहुत सुंदर लग रही है. आप इसके साइज के बारे में थोड़ा और डिटेल देना चाहोगे?
Absolutely, it's a 6 feet wraparound balcony जिसमें आप 10 to 15 people की gathering कर सकते हैं, right? So अगर आपको क्लब हाउस नहीं जाना, आपको आलस आ रहा है, तो आप यहीं पे आराम से एक पार्टी थ्रो कर सकते हो.
मुझे ये जो वुडन सीलिंग दिख रहा है अभी, ये आप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो हर अपार्टमेंट के फ्लैट्स में?
Well, no, because we are only, this is an idea, right? कि आप अपना फ्लैट किस तरह से इंटीरियर क्रिएट कर सकते हो. This is a creative approach by the architect. So we will be providing you plain emulsion paint, white color. This is our aesthetic modular kitchen in which we are providing you upper, middle, lower cabinets along with chimney and RO. Now let me take you towards our second room of the sample flat. And the best part of our flat is that we are providing you a standard 11 feet of ceiling height. And this is the wardrobe which we are providing you with the sensor light. This is the washroom. As you can see, now let me take you towards our third bedroom. And before that, you can see the attached washroom. This is the look of it. And as we have told you that we will be providing you vitrified tiles of the company, bathroom and fit-in fixtures will be of Roka. This is our third bedroom. And you can see it looks beautiful. And I would like to tell you that we are providing you 6 ACs, split ACs of Carrier. And here is the view from the balcony. This is the beautiful view from the balcony of this bedroom. Now we are going to take you none other than the master bedroom of our flat, and this is the view, guys. This is the master bedroom, which is of 16 by 13 feet. And you can see how much space you are going to have, because we are not going to provide you the TV, and you can have the furniture of your own choice, and you can see how you can place the room by your own choice. Take you towards the washroom. Here we are providing the closet as it is, and this is the area which you can have a beautiful jacuzzi of your choice or a glass partition.
ये फ्लैट तो एक्चुअली में मैम बहुत लग्जरी लग रहा है। तो मैम इस फ्लैट के प्राइसेस क्या रहने वाले हैं?
वेल, हम जो बोल रहे हैं वही हम आपको ऑफर भी कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो जितना ब्यूटीफुल ये फ्लैट है तो उतनी कॉस्ट तो होगी, बट वी हैव अ वेरी कंपेटिटिव प्राइस फ्रॉम अदर ब्रांड्स and we are offering you 22,000 per square feet.
मैम ये एक्चुअली में अपार्टमेंट बहुत सुंदर है, तो कैन आई नो कि यहाँ पे जो आपने फर्नीचर दिखाया है वो इसके साथ मिल रहा है?
Well, since it is a semi-loaded apartment, right? So we are providing you wardrobes, but not providing you the furniture. And इसका reason सिर्फ इतना है कि हर individual की choice and taste बहुत different होता है. So they can have their own furniture of different choice.
तो मैम यहाँ के एसीज किस टाइप के रहने वाले हैं?
Well, we are providing you 6 split ACs by the Carrier company.
Okay, so अभी हमने अपने टीम लीडर ऋषि बामी से बात करी और हमने सारे इंफॉर्मेशंस रिगार्डिंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट के जानी हैं। हमने इसके यूएसपी और पेमेंट प्लान प्लस यहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट करना, यहाँ पे एंड यूजर के लिए ये सारे हमने इंफॉर्मेशन इस वीडियो में कवर अप कर लिया है। सो इफ यू वांट मोर डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट अस थ्रू गिवन बिलो नंबर। forget to subscribe our channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.
गुड़गांव रियल एस्टेट की लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए गुड़गांव एस्टेटिन को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें।